what up you guys? So today I'm going to be sharing with you a few winnings that I've won and also a surprise happy mail from Jennifer Lopez. This is all that I have to share. These 3 packages up here are winnings, and then the Hollar box is a surprise happy mail. So I just want to share this with you guys on camera, face to face. These videos are super long overdue, but it's been a hectic summer here. So I'm gonna put these down, and I think I'm gonna go through the Hollar box first, see how long the video is, and maybe I'll do separate videos. I don't want to make this video super long. Okay, so first off, I just want to say thank you so much, Jennifer Lopez. She has been a huge supporter of mine for a couple of years now, and she has a YouTube channel as well. I'll make sure to leave her link down below. She's super sweet. She's a fellow New Yorker. She's from the Bronx. So she surprised me with this huge box, you guys, from Hollar, as you can see here. Without further ado, I'm just gonna jump right into it. The first thing I want to share with you guys, I did open it up because I couldn't help myself. My mom picked it up for me from the post office because the post office is by my mom's house because it's safer over there. So in this beautiful box that says it says wake up and smell the coffee, and it has it all the way around. How cute is this box? I could definitely reuse it and store my coffee in here if I want to. I don't know, I could definitely reuse it somehow. And in there, you guys, was this amazing, beautiful cup, you guys. Look, it has a gold handle. The mug has gold accents on it. It says wake up and smell the coffee. Has it on both sides, which I super like because I'm a lefty. And usually when I buy mugs, they never are double-sided. So cute. So you can hold it this way and you can hold it this way, and it opens up like that. How adorable is this? She was worried. She thought, you know, she didn't want it to break, but they packaged it really well with all of this, you know, not crinkle, but like this Hollar. They packaged it really well. So thank you so much, Jennifer. So purchased me this beautiful girl. I'm gonna take her out her packaging. It's a little, like, I don't know, like a little beautiful girl holding a butterfly, and she has a beautiful dress on, and she's like a fairy maybe. Oh, I love her. I'm gonna put her on my craft area, probably on the shelf that it's been getting super crowded with a whole bunch of goodies, but I'm gonna put her up there. She is so cute. Thank you. She also included this nail polish set. It has 4 long-lasting nail polishes, 32 acetone free nail polish remover pads enriched with cuticle oil, and it's dessert scented. So these are coconut macaroons, it says, scratch and sniff. And oh my goodness, look how cute is that, you guys. Oh, I love it. So thank you so much. My youngest daughter was like eyeing it. She's like, oh, this is cute. So I might share with her. And because she knows I craft all the time, she sent me some cute stickers. Before I get to that, I'm going to show you these hand masks. This is pretty cool. I've never seen the ones from Dollar Tree come through with the hands and the feet. Or maybe I just never really seen them. Like maybe they were there and I just didn't realize. But look, this is the hand one, and it nourishes and hydrates, which is pretty cool. I think I would use this more for the winter time because my hands get really bad during the winter time. But thank you for that. I want to get the feet ones from Dollar Tree. She also included this decorative 12-piece clothespin set. It's the brand We Love Ice Cream. How cute are these? Oh my goodness. Then she also sent me these Martha Stewart kite stickers. Look how cute, you guys. These are adorable. We can make them ourselves, but look, this will be an inspiration. I can make my own. I don't have tiny bows like that, but I'm pretty sure I could try to make some. Look how cute. Thank you. These beautiful rose stickers. They're from Jolie's Boutique, dimensional stickers, and they're pretty cool, you guys. Look how beautiful. Love them. And then dimensional stickers from Sticko. And look, it's birthday themed. And I don't have much birthday themes, so this is so cute. I like the little, what is those things called? I forget, but it says happy birthday to you, party, make a wish, happy birthday, cheers. Adorable. Love it. And she also sent my way some doilies. These are really pretty. Like, look at the patterns, you guys. So cute. The butterflies and the floral. So cute. Thank you, Jennifer. And the last thing in this box was this adult coloring relaxed stressful book. It's butterflies, you guys. 12 design, 24 sheets. And look at all the designs that are down below. And guys, I think this is a card. It is. I just realized. Look. How cool is this? Oh my gosh, I didn't even realize. Okay, so I'm gonna have to invest in some like pencil. Actually, I have a couple, but I don't have much colors. But this is so cute. I'm gonna be planning on going to Pennsylvania on a little vacation. There's no Wi-Fi, there's no internet, there's nothing. There's no cable, there's nothing, because my parents own a home out there. So it's like a summer home. Anywho, we're gonna go out there and we're gonna relax and enjoy just relaxing and not. So yeah, anywho, I'm just so excited. Maybe I'll bring these over there and buy some coloring pencils and just go outside on the little deck and just color away. Oh my god, thank you so much, Jennifer. I truly, truly appreciate it for thinking of me. You're so sweet, you're so cute. And I'll be sending you something soon. I actually have something to send you that was in my closet, and like if it's out of my sight, it's out of my mind. And it's not done intentionally. So I'm gonna take it out of the closet because I saw it the other day and I was like, oh my god, I have to send that to Jennifer Lopez. I was going through some paper pads that I had and I actually shared a whole bunch with her. And I wrapped it up, put her addresses on it, and I never sent it. So I'm gonna be sending that your way soon. So thank you so much, Jennifer. Guys, go check her out. Link will be down below. Thank you guys for taking the time to watch this video, and stay tuned because I'm gonna be opening the other packages on a separate video. So if you see me wearing the same thing, that's what it is. All right, thank you guys. Bye.